In this video, I'll guide you through how to export Microsoft Bookings data to Excel. We'll go step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to pull your bookings into a spreadsheet that you can filter, sort, and analyze. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Bookings site at Book. Now, sign in with your usual work or school account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see your list of booking calendars. These are usually set up for different services, teams, or locations. Take a moment to identify which specific calendar you want to export. This is important because the export will only include data from the calendar you currently have open. Click on the calendar you want to work with. When it opens, you should land on the home dashboard for that calendar. And this dashboard usually shows an overview of your bookings, upcoming appointments, and some quick actions. On this home dashboard, look for the export option. In many versions of Microsoft Bookings, this appears as a button labeled something like Export 120-day view using a TSV file. The wording might vary slightly, but you're looking for an export button that mentions a 120-day view or a TSV file. If you don't see it immediately, check along the top of the page or in any menu that lists actions for the calendar. Before you actually export, it helps to understand what that 120-day limit means. Microsoft Bookings allows you to export up to 4 months or 120 days of data at a time. That means you won't be able to grab an entire year of bookings in a single download. Instead, you'll export the data in chunks. When you click the export button, you'll be prompted to select a date range. This is where you define the 120 days you want. Choose a start date and an end date that fall within that 4-month window. For example, you might pick January 1st through April 30th. If your selected range is longer than 120 days, you may see an error or the system may adjust it, so keep it within that limit. If your goal is to export a full year of bookings, you'll need to repeat this export process 3 times, each time with a different range that covers part of the year. For instance, you could export January through April, then May through August, and then September through December. Just make sure the ranges follow one another without overlapping or leaving gaps, so you end up with a complete set of data. Once you've chosen your date range, go ahead and click Export. Bookings will generate a file in TSV format, which stands for Tab Separated Values. Your browser will either automatically download this file or ask where you want to save it. Keep track of the folder where it's saved so you can find it easily. After the file has downloaded, you can open it in Excel. Most systems will open a TSV file directly in Excel when you double-click it. From there, you can save it as a regular Excel workbook if you like, and start working with your data. And that's all you need to export Microsoft Bookings data to Excel. Go to book.ms, choose your calendar, use the export button, set your date range, and download the TSV file for use in Excel.